escape, 'cause guys like you were all the same. You have no shame, I see you come from miles away. You want a wife, but can't commit to any girl. You think you're tough, then fall to pieces when you flirt. Whatever you say, if you swear it's true, but I'm still reserved the right to tease you. Those tacky pickup lines won't do you any favors, love. You're not a real man, you're not hot, so stop acting so tough. Someone's a poser in this room and you know it's not me. Preaching about being authentic, baby, that's hypocrisy. You say you're rock and roll, but I know you're the ballad type. And you're not emo, just emotion, I'm taking with pride. You're not 2 steps ahead, you're tripping over your own shoe. Just admit I can't just who you are and what you do. You're at this old, so old it's get my Y2K. You're at this tired, as tired as the renegade. It's giving spot OS, but not in an aesthetic way. More in the sense that you just stick and never go away. Whatever you say, you swear it's true, but I still reserve the right to tease you. You think shoplifting's a career, then wonder why you can't pay bills. Still hitting blows on the weekends, then preaching about how smoking kills. You wanna be an actor, but you cannot laugh at shit. The only drama you can do is throw it as you fit. You say you're rock and roll, but I know you're the ballad type. And you're not emo, just emotional, take it with pride. You're not 2 steps ahead, you're tripping over your own shoe. Just admit like rock, just who you are and what you do. I wonder what's inside your head. Is it air or pure helium? Wonder why you're all alone, and then go right back to your delirium. You're a walking oxymoron, but I bet you cannot spell it. I couldn't take you anywhere. You found some way to get offended. Whatever you say, if you're in good faith, but I still reserve the right to laugh in your face. Whatever you say, if you swear it's true, but I still reserve the right to tease you. There's always eyes on you, but when there's not, you throw a fuss. Then go on saying that you're humble and not asking much. I think you're full of it in person and half-finished scenes. If you don't change, the only place you'll see me's in your dreams. You say you're rock and roll, but I know you're the ballad type. And you're not emo, just emotional, take it with pride. You're not 2 steps ahead, you're tripping over your own shoes. Just admit I've got just who you are and what you do. When you complain about the snowflakes, you sound quite triggered. Just condemning others when that hairline's getting you sent straight to hell. Think the migrants give this country is the one who has the job. And tell you talk, but late at night it's soft. For yourself, it's all yourself. You always make it about yourself.